Hi guys! Today's video is about trying products that I bought from Amazon. Let's see. So here you guys, this is the first product that I'm gonna show you. This is magnetic toothbrush holder, Walmart electric toothbrushes, or a toothbrush holder. It comes with 3 magnetic cups. And some compartments. The cups was magnetic. And you have 6 spaces for your toothbrush holders. So I will set up this later to the wall. So here we go. First we're gonna get this adhesive strip, and this is the main one, the toothbrush holder. Just gonna put this one on the back. Just keep watching, guys. You're just gonna do like this after you put that adhesive strip on the wall. So I already make a line over there. I can't show you, but I already have a line. So you're just gonna take this strip or the plastic out of the strip, and then gonna put in a wall. I already make a line in there. And then make sure that the wall is clean before you install the strip. Then hook your, look at me. So let's try to put this toothbrush in there. By the way, guys, this is it has 6. You can put 6 toothbrush in there. That is the magnetic cups. The very cool thing of that, after you use it, you just gonna put it upside down. Magnetic cups brings convenience and saves space upside down. So you can put your toothpaste over here. And the compartment has 2 compartments too. You can put your one. You can put your phone, or maybe Q-tips or cotton balls. There you go, guys. You can put more toothbrush over here. Upside down cups design function as a cover for anti-dust and fast water draining. Magnet ensure that cups are securely attached to the holder, never falling, easy to pick up. Hi guys! Today's video is about trying products that I bought from Amazon. Let's see those products. Don't mind my face, okay? So we're gonna try the first one that from Amazon. That is, I have this Twinkle Starlight Long Curl Mascara Waterproof. So this is how it looks like. Right. The package has like a silvers, like a unicorn colors. So I got this one. Actually, I have few mascaras that I already use, but some of them are off-brand. This one I got from my friend. This is a gift What's the brand of this thing? It's called a Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. It's gonna compare without any color, just this. This one, I apply this one on the left side. So let's see if there's have different using this and the one that I got at Amazon. It's Oliver, whatever. So we're gonna try it on. The first mascara that I get from Amazon. Look at this, guys. Ooh, look how pretty is this. Says long lasting. I don't know if you can see it. Long last Oliver Long Curl Mascara. Ooh, it has more volume over here. In this one that I got on the left side, look. This is from the Amazon. This side I use this one. And on the left side. So what do you think? Look at this. Has more volume than this on the left side than the right side. I like it. Look closer. This one I used it from Amazon, and this one that normally that I use, the mascara, the lashes that I normally used. Let's see the finished products. Okay guys, let's finish the look. Hi guys, this is the finished look. I don't know if it's has difference, but to let you know, this side of my eyes, I used the one that I bought from Amazon, and this one is from the one that I always use. But I feel like it's more volume over here than this one. But I don't think so, if you can see it, but I can see it. So this is my look for today. I'll fix my hair and we'll see you later. That's all for today, so hope we'll see you next time on my next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to update you every time I post. So have a blessed day and thank you for watching. Bye.